what to wait.
Leave that bag. Leave that bag.
Enter my room. Don't enter my room. Come here. Don't enter my room.
But I don't get to the man.
Man, not see my Pikin. Which one get that side? Which one make her not see my Pikin? I beg.
Pass that side. Pass that side. Pass that side. Pass that side. Don't enter my room. Pass that side.
Let her go.
I go wound you. I go wound you. They go. You don't fit there yet. Victor, when I say I'm, she not fit there yet. She not fit there yet. Respect yourself and let me take this thing outside.
Why are you taking it to? Stand back.
This is staircase, you will fall. If I push you here, you will fall.
Push her.
Now definitely what you so.
Push.
Now definitely do so.
Push me down. Push me down.
Now see them take your bag outside.
Madam,
You're not supposed to be in my house. Oh yeah, go the other house. Go the other house. Not here.
Carry your son or whoever you want to carry there to go and stay there until you go
Keep
and
my son. Keep
Not
my son out of this.
I am not keeping him out of it.
Leave
Because
my
it's the
son
one that
out
you
of
decide
this.
to bring into it and say you want to come and frustrate me, then I will not leave him out of it. Your son is not an exemption. Do you understand me? He is not an exemption to whatever is
I will eat, I will blow you. You are tempting me, you are frustrating, you are pushing me to the
You are pushing yourself and you are pushing yourself. You are the one frustrating yourself and pushing yourself.
Can I take your
Take
bag
it down.
downstairs?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, I don't understand. After Lemon, don't use Mary make money finish for social media. I can't build house. Now, he say he not they marry again. He want leave the make Mary leave am alone. He no want marry again. Marriage is not by force, so this that I don't understand. When you they use that they make money. You don't know say marriage not be by force. Say you don't want again. Now, you tell her now say you don't want marry again. Marriage is not by force. Make she leave you alone. This that kini con. Now so really lock that door. Really after you don't use that make money finish. And they marry me even blame you. This kind of marriage before you come out, it go pay you put. It go pay you for your time we waste. Which kind of nonsense? How you go use person make money finish for social media? You can't wake up one morning tell and say you know they marry again. Make it go stay. You know, can you imagine? Say Mary go stay in former house. Maybe they not come in this in new house. In new house where you use the face they make. You say no, not the way she go do. We go make her love her. Me not go come out for this kind of marriage. You must pay me before I come out if not me. Ma put the video my people make una see am. Wahala they say it be like bicycle. Mary, you go nowhere. This marriage, Lemon, you cannot be deceiving yourself. Different women. You first still bring dread don't come on, another one again, and we're gonna still born for you from nowhere. Lie. Because you want to use that one tell lie, so that if Mary they drag you, Mary they can say you will get son no, where you will give something. You even with the girl planner, Mary not man more. The planner is a plan work.
Hey, did I want you be doing this for a child? Did I touch you? How you feel relate?
Did I feel relate?
You don't feel relate.
See, hey,
Don't
hey,
come to
hey,
my son's
hey,
room.
I'm telling you, move.
Don't come to my son's room.
Don't let me do what you hate. Don't
Don't
let me do what you hate.
Leave that bag. Leave that bag.
Enter my room. Don't enter my room. Come here. Don't enter my room.
But I don't get to the man.
Man, not see my Pikin. Which one get that side? Which one make her not see my Pikin? I beg.
Pass that side. Pass that side. Pass that side. Pass that side. Don't enter my room. Pass that side.
Let her go.
I go wound you. I go wound you. They go. You don't fit there yet. Victor, when I say I'm, she not fit there yet. She not fit there yet. Respect yourself and let me take this thing outside.
Why are you taking it to? Stand back.
This is staircase, you will fall. If I push you here, you will fall.
Push her.
Now definitely what you so.
Push.
Now definitely do so.
Push me down. Push me down.
Now see them take your bag outside.
Madam,
You're not supposed to be in my house. Oh yeah, go the other house. Go the other house. Not here.
Carry your son or whoever you want to carry there to go and stay there until you go and
Keep my son out of this.
I am not keeping him out of it.
Leave
Because
my
it's the
son
one that
out
you
of
decide
this.
to bring into it and say you want to come and frustrate me, then I will not leave him out of it. Your son is not an exemption. Do you understand me? He is not an exemption to whatever is
I will eat, I will blow you. You are tempting me, you are frustrating, you are pushing me to the
you are pushing me. You are pushing yourself. You are the one frustrating yourself and pushing yourself.
Can I take your bag downstairs?
Don't
go to my son room. When I come, pick up. Tell this girl to don't go to my son room. Hey! Don't go to my son room. Drop whatever bag you want to drop. Don't go to my son's room.
See, hey,
don't come to my son's room.
I'm telling you, move.
Don't come to my son's room.
Don't let me do what you hate. Don't let me do what you hate.
Leave that bag. Leave that boy
back. Take that bag back to where it belongs.
Leave that boy back.
Take it back.
Leave that boy back.
Take my bag back to where it belongs to. Don't come and stress me. Take it back to where it belongs to. If you know that you don't want my problem, you don't want any issue, then take my bag where it belongs to. Don't come and stress me.
I don't know whether only this small boy they chop this thing. Whether they come here and say they take all his privileges.
Who?
You're stealing his privileges.
Why look hungry like the both of you?
What are you doing here?
Like a millionaire.
What are you doing here?
That looks like a starter house dog.
Come on.
Why are you talking to?
Who is touching my son's bag?
Hey, madam, you're not involved here.
Who they touch my Pikin bag?
Drop that Pikin bag.
Why is Jason bag?
Drop that Pikin bag.
Take that one back.
Drop that Pikin bag.
Take it back inside. Okay, move back. I beg.
Take that bag. Like tough now, do it too now.
Like all of
Drop that Pikin
I
bag.
go carry my Pikin bag. Say
Drop.
let's
I don't if you're doing anything. Leave my son out of this.
I'm not leaving him out.
Is it inside here?
It's your son that is laying down.
J-boy is
It's your son
inside.
that is laying down.
J-boy.
Madam, I beg.
J-boy.
Whatever you have,
J-boy, open the door.
between, I beg, make it be between the both of you now.
Open the door.
I go carry my Pikin bag, come outside. Say make come up for him papa house. Which one is
fine.
good
Mommy's
for her?
fine. Mommy's fine. Just stay. Don't open it. Just stay. Mommy's fine.
I beg, see.
Hey!
I beg.
Pack it.
Ha.
Pack
Please
it.
let me pass, I beg.
You prepare your own stuff and go. Leave J-boy.
With which bag?
Keep J-boy's bag and prepare your own
Excuse,
stuff
abeg.
and go.
Ex-
You see this one that is due for you. Ona go see am.
Shit on herself. Go back.
Excuse.
Ona go see am o. Now the whole world no go hear.
Go.
This thing be like film for her eyes. Ona go see am o.
Okay.
Now till one person go down.
Now she go carry you.
J-boy. What's your problem? Jesse.
Are you okay?
Jesse. I'm coming. Daddy's coming, okay? Just you. Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming. Don't cry. Daddy's coming. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay? Everything is fine.
She said it's rubbish you are causing. How you cannot relate now? You not be mother. How can you relate?
Don't worry. I'll take you out. Okay? Don't cry. I'll take you out. It's okay. But I gotta go get someone. Get a
Why not see my Pikin? Which one get that side? Which one make I not see my Pikin? I beg.
Pass that side. Pass that side. Don't enter my room. Pass that side.
Let her go. You not even dey show her. So how she go carry your Pikin back come outside? Push that rubbish where she dey go where she come from.
Take your bag there.
Then take my bag.
How would you be doing this to a child? How would you be doing this to a child?
Your child? Are you stupid?
Are you okay? You dey mad? You say mess dey your head. How would you be doing this to a child?
Did I touch you?
How you feel relate? You don't feel relate now. You don't feel relate.
You don't know what it looks like to be a wife, and you can never feel.
Oga, leave this bag.
I'm not
leave this
like
bag.
Come,
Then
come.
I will beat her.
Beat who? Abẹ́lẹ̀ ń ṣe èrè ni. Beat who? Ó dà gbọ́ wí gbogbo ẹ ti ń ṣe èrè papọ̀. You beat who?
Maybe
Abẹ́lẹ̀
I'm
ni
okay.
ikú ní ni.
Respect the fact that this
Hey.
is my son.
You respect the fact that whether you like it or not, our marriage is not yet divorced. It has not been dissolved. So you.
Madam, go to your matrimonial home now. The other one, go to the matrimonial home. Abi, why are you there? You want to divorce? You not gree go. You not gree go. Go now. Matrimonial madam, go to your matrimonial home. See wetin you dey cause yourself. Rubbish. You want to follow multiple women.
Let her decide to give yourself brain and behave like a real man. You dey here dey do like wetin I no know.
Carry Pikin back
Everybody dey
from
feel
us.
like-
You
everybody
wan
dey
comot
feel like
Pikin back
say,
from him papa house.
What is special about you?
You wan comot
You know
Pikin back
that
from him papa house.
the marriage has not been dissolved. Yet you keep on shouting around like what I don't know.
Then why
Make sure
you
it
here?
is dissolved before you come and tell me anything. If they say they don't divorce us and I'm coming to your
Omo,
house, then you have the right to tell me
Omo.
nonsense. But I did not
Which
divorce
kind-
you
which
then.
kind thing
So
be
me
this
for me, I have every right
One
to
day,
be
one
here.
trouble.
Until
One
you
day, one
have
trouble.
dissolved it everything.
What is this?
Then I will go. I will know that I'm no longer your wife. But
What is this? What they want to what is this?
We are still together, and whether you like it or not, the paper is still there, has not been dissolved. Until it is dissolved, I have every right to go anywhere I want to be. That is where I will be. Only go on my shop you think I'm playing? I told you that there's no peace for you. It's been
It's wetin you carry.
want to do and
Man,
you
you
can
go
do
back your
nonsense.
friend, man.
Everybody's telling me to keep my own job. Then they keep up when no one keep. Then they keep my way no one stay. They're telling me to beg him to ask for wish forgiveness. This one be forgiveness. He's wrong. He can never for one day come out and beg. They are telling me that is how men are. Which is how men are.
Follow me. Follow me.
That's how men are. No shit, no. They say is you a woman keep better. Man no they keep you. Man no they keep you.
Let's open the door from behind.
Now me carry my tables go dey knock up and
Hey, don't enter my room. Don't enter my room. Come here. Don't enter my room. Come here. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Let her go. Don't enter my room.
Don't enter my room. Get out.
I don't know she come.
Hey, you
Make she carry this bag and go.
Take your
Carry
bag.
your